So I've seen a lot of people make chopsticks with a chopsticks jig that they either buy or make themselves. So buying the jigs can be really expensive. You can make them yourself, but it can be quite complicated. So I'm just gonna make these chopsticks without a jig that you buy or make, just a block plane. So basically, what I'm doing is at the end of the chopstick where it's gonna taper down. So I remove a little material there, then take one shaving across the entire thing. So this basically forms a taper, and you do this on all four sides. So it's supposed to be skinnier at the bottom and wider at the top. So you apply more pressure at the point that you want to form a taper. So towards the end you apply more pressure to get a tapered chopstick shape. And so once you do that, it hardly takes like 5 minutes to get it done. So you just do that, and then you work on creating chamfers for the chopstick, because it's you're gonna hold it, and the sharp edges that when you make the taper get can be really uncomfortable. So basically you just take the block plane, and along the edges you just chamfer it lightly, and you can also sand it over, so to make it even smoother. And I've done that, and I've gotten some really nice results, and that method's actually really great. And so I'm just trying out the chopsticks. I'm not going to be eating shavings, but you can see that they work like they would. And so they work quite well, and this is just to test the comfort of them, if I need to chamfer some more, sand some more. And yeah, so now I'm making the rest for the chopsticks. This is completely optional. You don't have to do this, but since I'm making this for a friend, and it's this just completes the set. So basically, I'm making this with a chisel. This small piece is about 2.5 inches long, like half an inch thick, and 5/8 of an inch wide. So I'm just using my chisel to make the curves from both sides. The chisel is really nice for this. You get a really smooth curve, and then you also chamfer all the sides on this just for looks, because it looks quite nice. And now I'm just carving my friend's initials at the back of the rest, so it just looks really nice, and it's a great gift. So now I'm doing a water pop. So because these chopsticks are gonna come in contact with food, and then they're gonna get washed. So I don't want the grain to get raised when the recipient washes them. So I'm gonna do that step right now. So I'm letting this soak under water, and then once that dries, I'm gonna sand off the grain that has risen. And then for finish, I'm gonna use a food safe finish. My go-to is cooking oil. It's really simple to apply, and it looks great. This project is really simple to make, really quick, and you can make a lot of these. You can sell them or gift it. So whoever you gift it to, and if they like to use chopsticks, I'm really sure they would appreciate it, because it's personalized and you made it. So try it out. Let me know, what do you think.